Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week for me. This is the April kit. It is called Lakeside Retreat. And I have been away for a couple of weeks on a quilting bus trip, which is absolutely amazing. So I am late doing my April Paper Pumpkin. But I'm going to go ahead and do the whole process anyway. I'm sure lots of people have seen so many alternates already, so I haven't looked at any on purpose because I am really trying hard to come up with some original ideas. So the coordinating colors are Azure Afternoon, Balmy Blue, Cajun Craze, Crisp Cantaloupe, Gray Granite, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, Peaceful Pine, Pecan Pie, Pool Party, Soft Seafoam, and Very Vanilla. So how's that for a variety of colors that you can use with this kit? And of course, the full color instructions, lots of Stampin' to do on these ones. So these are going to be so much fun to do. And we have measurements in inches here, 0 to 8, and in millimeters now, or in centimeters, from that 0 point up to 20 centimeters. So a little bit of a change there. Another little bit of a change is that the die imprint is actually part of the instructions and not a separate piece of paper. So you can see the stamps are thanks, happy birthday, older, wiser, better, you're a lifesaver, you're an inspiration, dad, son, happy Father's Day, happy birthday, and then a variety of other decorative stamps. So let's see what's in the kit. Whoops. We've got these really cool little, almost like little pebbles embellishments, and we've got our mini dimensionals. Got some tear and tape, and we have a Peaceful Pine Stampin' Spot, which is perfect because I didn't buy the Peaceful Pine ink pad, and I have realized just how much I am enjoying that Peaceful Pine green. It is really nice. I like it the same way I like my Soft Seafoam green. Now, obviously, they're two different greens, but I like it just as well. So, we've got some bits of card front. Look at those envelopes. You know that those envelopes are going to be incorporated in a card somehow. And I love this idea for the card base. And you know that these are going to get cut apart, and there's two different cards just begging to be made here. So we've got that card front, and we've got this card front, this almost like a boardwalk kind of look. And then we've got our greeting die punches, or die cuts here that we can punch out. Oh, I love, love, love the colors of these. This is really a cool kit. And I wasn't sure because I don't tend to do masculine cards. I do pink, purple, and floral. But I am loving this, and I love the color in this. And here are our card front pieces as well. We've got some oars and a life jacket, a little picture of a fish. We've got a really lovely bicycle, some really nice scenes here, and then we've got some extra pieces to make into our card fronts. So, and of course, every kit contains a 6x9 piece of card that all the pieces are plastic wrapped in, and these I use for wrapping my fabric on in my drawer or in my cupboard, and they just stand up like library books. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. So I am really, really excited to work on this kit with you. I will do one each of the 3 projects, and then I will do an alternate every day of the week up until Friday, and then we'll do a summary on the Saturday. So thank you so much for stopping by, and stay tuned for the next video, which is at project number 1.